Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger, yes, updated must-do deals video that is going through Tuesday the 15th, and it is the 14th on Monday when I'm posting this video, so you only have a couple of days to grab these deals, but these are really awesome deals. I wanted to make sure that you knew about them or you got the update about them. So this video shouldn't be very long. I just have a handful of deals, but let's check out what's going on at Kroger for the next at least 2 days. So again, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos I'm putting out, and let's see what's happening. Okay, so I'm going to start out with just a couple of our buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. Remember, this is the last 2 days of this mega sale, and we will start a new 5-time digital coupon sale next on Wednesday, the 16th. And I do have the ad preview out, so I will link that here for you to check out, or I'll put it at the very end of this video for you to click on. Alright, so this is an update on this U by Kotex Pads. These are regularly priced $3.99. They're on sale depending on your region, anywhere from $2.99 to $3.29. Mega sale for $1.99 to $2.29. My region, unfortunately, is a little bit higher. So we knew that we were getting brand new 4 off 2 coupons in Smart Source 313, but we also got a 4 off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. I have it linked in the description box below. Please do me a huge favor and print from my link. I'm an affiliate of coupons.com, which means that you give me a little bit of help out when you print from my links. It doesn't change the way you print. It's going to take you directly to coupons.com, but because you clicked on my link first, it will help me out. It'll help me to continue doing these videos for you. So out of pocket, you'll pay anywhere from completely free to 30 cents, and then you can submit to Fetch for 1,250 points. There is 1,250 points for the liners and 1,250 points for the pads, as well as, depending on how many freebies you get, if you can work your way up to $25 worth, that is going to give you $5 back from Fetch, or 5,000 points. So when you use a coupon at Kroger, I don't know if you're aware of this, the coupons like that you hand over, not the digital coupons. Digital coupons pop up underneath the product, but not the digital ones, just the paper coupons or the insert coupons, when you hand them over, they are at the bottom and they don't connect with the actual product. So when you scan it into Fetch should count the full price. So it should count the $1.99 to $2.29. So that is one way that you could get up to $25 spend and get that extra $5 back. So it's, really awesome deal. So this is definitely as low as free and $1.25 moneymaker with at least those first 2 products, but obviously could be a bigger moneymaker if you can get to that spend 25 and get that extra $5. Alright, so I know I already told you about this deal in my last updated deals video, but I want to make sure that you are aware of the Velveeta shells and cheese deal. We have 2 more days to grab this amazing deal. You want to grab 4 of them. The regularly priced $3.59, on sale for $3.49, mega sale for $2.49. We just got a brand new 3 off 3 coupon in the Smart Source inserts that just came out yesterday on Sunday. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $6.96, and then you're going to receive a $4 Catalina. Now this Catalina does generate through the 20th, so it will be going on through Sunday of this next week. However, our sale is going to change on the 16th for Kroger. So probably means the Velveeta shells and cheese regular price is going to either go back to regular price, or it's going to have a sale price, but it probably won't be as low as $2.49. So this is the time you want to grab it the next 2 days. Also, you can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 1, a limit of 5 times. Final cost is free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Really awesome deal on these Velveeta shells and cheese. Okay, I told you just a couple of deals at Kroger, and we are going to move right on to just the regular Kroger deals. And I only have a couple of them, but I wanted to make sure you knew about them. Okay, so the first one should be a freebie. It probably is a freebie if you go to Walmart and do this deal. But if you're not in the mood to go to Walmart, or you despise Walmart, I generally despise Walmart, but I have grown fondness of it since I have started doing hidden clearance, because you can find just amazing deals there. But as far as I don't know, grocery shopping at Walmart, I'd rather not. I'd rather go to Kroger. But anyway, Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 20 ounce is regularly priced $2.09. That has gone up, guys. So that price, I don't know when the price changed, but it has gone up. Out of pocket, you would pay that $2.09, but then you could submit to Ibotta for $1.98 back on one. It's a limit of one time, so you can grab one of these for just 11 cents. Obviously, it's probably a freebie at Walmart or maybe another store, so I haven't checked Meijer. Meijer may be a freebie, we'll see. But this is definitely an option for you if 11 cents is not terrible, and it will save you from making multiple trips to different places. Not a bad deal here on the Zyrtec Children's 4 ounce. These are regularly priced $12.99. They're on sale for $11.99. And we have 4 off 1 coupons. There's a digital coupon. There's a printable coupon. I'll have it linked in the description box. Please use my link. There's also one in Save 3. So regardless, you're going to grab these for $7.99. I like to tell people to, if this is a product that you're going to use, maybe you have kids or something like that, go ahead and grab them when they're really, really good deals like this, instead of waiting for it to be full price and then you're in need. So this is not a bad deal here, and I just wanted to make you aware of it. We also have an okay deal going on for the L'Oreal Paris hair color. There's a bunch of different kinds. Superior is one of them. But anyway, these are regularly priced $10.99, on sale for $9.99, and we just got a brand new 6 off 2 printable coupon. There is a 2 off 1 digital that is attaching to this, but obviously the 6 off 2 would give you $3 off each one. Unless you're only wanting to purchase just one, then maybe it's not worth buying 2 of them. Anyway, final cost is going to be as low as $6.99 each. So yeah, I just thought I would share that deal with you. And that is it, guys. That is all I have for you. Like I said, it was a very, very quick deal. Let me know in the comments if you found anything else. We only got a couple days left. And again, check out the description box for all of the coupons that you might need. Join my social media accounts. Sign up for Ibotta or Fetch, all those good things. Have a great week, guys. Bye.